Go Fish, how to play. This is a 2 to 5 player game, but can be played with up to 10 players. The objective of the game is to collect the most pairs of 4. Shuffle a 52 card deck. Automatic card shufflers are great to use. If you want one, it's in the link in the description below. Deal 5 cards to each player and place the deck in the center. Everyone may now look at their cards secretly. Choose a player to go first. On your turn, ask someone for a card. For example, Tom, do you have a king? That player must give you all of their kings. When you receive cards, you have another turn asking the same question to whoever you wish. If they can't give you the card you asked, they say, "Go fish." You then take a card from the deck and the player to your left goes next. If by picking up a card it was the card you just asked for, show it, then take another turn. Whenever you have 4 cards of a pair, then place the cards face up in front of you to keep score. Continue this process for the rest of the game, taking turns and asking the cards from your opponents. If the deck runs out, keep playing until everyone has no cards in their hands. When finished playing, each player counts the number of pairs they made. The player who has the most pairs at the end of the game wins. Check out this next video.